welcome to Eastern Adventures. We are out on the Queen Fleet today going on a full day fishing charter. Hoping to have some good luck and catch some fish. We'll see what we can get into. So here's our crew today. We got me, we got Steve, and we got Mike down there facing away from the camera. But these are the guys we're going to fish with today and hopefully catch a bunch. Alright, so we brought our own rods out this time. Got a Pin Fierce and a Pin 6500 series. Oldie but goodie. And this time we put triple drop rigs on each of them. So you can see it up here. It's 3 hooks, 1 weight will be on the bottom. Hopefully triple our chance of catching fish. Last time we were out here we used the gear from the fleet and it was just 1 hook. So going triple hooks on it and hopefully that'll increase our catch. Cut sardine. Got some squid and some more cut sardine on the 3rd drop. Hopefully this is what's going to catch some fish today. Do you have one? Stand up. Yeah. Mike too. All right.
You feel snapping on there, you got to start reeling hard. There you go.
Mike and Steve bringing one up. Steve's got his up first. All right. Got a little guy. Oh, got a little grouper already over here from Mike. On a puffer fish. Look at that. Floating on the top. Got him that time. What's it gonna be? Little one. Shoot. There we go. I know. A tiny one. Keep it. Might as well start. Where's our little bucket? Do you have that right behind you? 77. Thank you. Never mind. Got him. Got another one. Oh, Steve's telling us something. Got one too. Got another. Oh, that sounds like that. Yeah. Almost back down to the bottom again. Let's see if we can get on that fish. Got him. That one feels a little bit better, maybe. What we got coming up? Oh, I was hooking inside, that's why. Little pinfish. I think I might have something else. Oh yeah, this is pulling. Whatever this is. It's not the pinfish anymore, or it's still there. Oh, a little black grouper? I don't know. Have to ask him. Is this a black grouper, I'm assuming? It's too small, but hey, look at that. He's got some teeth on him. Alright, got a little black grouper. It's about 12 inches too small, but we'll try for a bigger one. Yeah, they picked my sardine off pretty good. Put on 2 pieces so that one of the pieces is over the tip. What's on there besides the pinfish this time? Oh, got another one. What do you say it was, Mike? Porgy? Porgy. He took it as an edible fish, right? All right. There we go. Another new species for me, porgy. He's gonna go in our bucket. We're getting closer to our fish fry. Mike's bringing one up.
There we go.
Yeah, he's got one. Got something else on. All right, some more dinner meat. A little pinfish. Oh yeah, a little grunt. All right. Yeah, for sure. That's one of the better ones we've had so far.
So stopping at our second location. Drop it down as soon as they give us the all clear.
There's something. Got him. That feels pretty decent. It's fighting back. Oh, yeah, buddy, that's a good grunt. That's the biggest one I caught so far. All right. That's a nice fillet right there. That'd be a good one. Guys got him a shark over here. Pretty good size one. That's nice. Look at that thing. Yeah, that's got a big nurse shark. 5-footer. That's awesome. Got one over here. Oh, I'm waiting on mine to even sink to the bottom. Second spot has not been very fruitful so far. It's deep here. Yeah. Is that a grunt? No, it's a, what is that? Yeah, it is. Yeah. Oh, what in the heck is this? Huh. That's interesting. Cigar fish? Ow! Ow! Yeah, another hook just got me. Here, can you pull that hook out for me? Yeah, it's in there. Just yank it. That's interesting. Yeah, I see some teeth in that thing. Lizard fish. That thing's crazy. Oh, yeah. That hurt. He's on another one down here. Well, I just had a nibble finally. It's been the first one in a long time. Tiny nibbles. Well, we got some friends now. They're sure happy to see us show up. They know they're about to get some fish. You guys will probably hang out with us the rest of the day. Got him. Oh, a little grouper. Red grouper. Pretty fish, but he's not big enough. Got some?
Oh, something bit it off the collar.
Red grouper and way too small, right? All right, there we go. Good fish though. Oh, what's this? Oh, another one of those, no, it's not a grunt. Corgi? Is that what it is? Porgy. Yeah, you don't want me to touch your big porgy though. Hey, here we go. Calm down. That's a good one. Oh, whoa, you got a remora. Yeah. Ah, that's cool. Too bad you didn't get the fish that it was swimming past, or swimming with. Mike got him a remora, all right. That's fun. Cool. Remora Mike caught. See a little plate where it attaches to a fish. That's actually it, swimming the correct way. It's fun. Bye-bye. We got another red grouper. It's pretty. It's about 13 inches. Not big enough, unfortunately. Got it. Oh, I know what that is coming up. See his mouth the whole way. Mike's on with something. You can see it coming up. There it is. Oh, it's a grouper. There he is. Got a nice little grouper.
That's 24 inches on my life.
Uh-huh. Huh. So I've been casting way out and I've been getting some good fish. Mike's dropping down and getting good fish though, so both seem to have found our spots. Got him. That's not big though. If it's even still on there. Yeah, it's still on there. I don't think we need to keep anymore, do we? Still keep keeping these? Ow! You spined me. Little jerk. This is going down. We're on the bottom. We're gonna start getting some bites right away. Watch this. I'm gonna pull up another one. There's a bite. There's a bite. Got him. Well, that's a little bit of a fight on him. Pull back a little bit. It's coming straight up now. But... oh, another grouper. Can we get one? Can we just throw all of them back and get one that all of these in one? Yeah, another grouper. All right. I think it's fun to catch them. Let's drop you back in a different location and see if we can get your big brother. Dang, man, you're hooked. See you later, buddy. Trade you for a second. We're coming back straight, good. Oh, okay. Better get to the bottom, but there's a fish on here, Steve. You could have reeled it in. I wouldn't have been mad. Is he still on there? Yep, there he is. A little grunt. Here it comes. Oh, what you got? A little frogfish? Or Jeez. What, you got one on there? You can reel it in. Not a big one for sure. Another grouper? Dang it, man. The tiniest one yet. Where are your friends at? Let's go. Using some happy buckets. Getting all the scraps.
Yeah, it's my buddy.
Best friends. He's just catching it.
See, he's easy. He knows that. Good, man. He knows the one for us. Oh, yeah. Just before you...
There's Mike collecting our catch.
You know, I might have missed a fin or something.
Wash it off, go through it again.
So just run your finger through and make sure that it's...
All right, here's Mike. What's our catch? A little over 50 ounce, or right at 50 ounces of meat. So we should be good for our fish fry.